Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today's topic is Android controlled robot. Do you like robot? Are you new in robotic? Do you thinking to build a robot from scratch? If yes, this instructable is for you. In this instructable, I will show you how can build a robot from scratch. I also show can control. You can control your robot by an Android application. I will guide you how to control your robot by an Android application. You can also control your robot by it remote. Don't worry, you don't need any programming experience to build Android app. Thank you. Please like, comment, share and don't forget to subscribe.